Hello students, this is Dr. Priya Chauhan. You begin your exploration of the bird of real numbers and encountered irrational numbers. We continue our discussion on real numbers in this video. Now just you think I repeat the number system? No. In this section we begin with two very important properties of positive integers, namely the Euclid's division algorithm and the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now just you think what is Euclid division lemma? As the namely suggests, Euclid division algorithm has to do with divisibility of integers, and the fundamental theorem of arithmetic has to do something with multiplication of positive integers. So simple.
Algorithm. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a types of problem. Is that clear? And second is lemma. What is lemma? Lemma. A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. After that, both the definition, we conclude that Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor, mean HCF, of two given positive numbers. And second, Euclid's division lemma and algorithm are so closely interlinked. After this, we considered that A is equal V into Q plus R. Here, A and V are two positive integers, Q for quotient and R for remainder. This is the formula for algorithm or lemma. Now we proven this formula. Let us consider Euclid division algorithm. So, take a pair of numbers 10 and 3. Now, we write in the relation between them in algorithm. 10 is equal 3 into 3 plus 1, mean 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. Here 3 goes into 10 thrice and 1 is left out. Take another pair of numbers 23 and 4. Here 23 is equal 4 into 5 plus 3, mean 5 4s are 20 plus 3 is equal 23. Here 4 goes into 23 5 times and 3 is left out. Now, we observe that in all the above relations satisfying the relation A is equal B into Q plus R. We know very well A and V are the positive integers. Remember, A always greater than B. A always greater than B. And Q for quotient plus R for remainder. Hence, we can state Euclid division algorithm or lemma very simply. Now we consider with an example. The question is, use Euclid's division algorithm to find SCF of 134 and 230. We know very well A greater than B. A always greater than B. So, the value for A is equal 230 and the value for B is equal 134. Okay. Now, we firstly take divisible method. Here 230 divided by 134. The quotient for 1 and the remainder is 96. Now we repeat this procedure. Now we divided 134 by 96. The quotient for this 1 and the remainder is 38. Now repeat. The quotient for 96 is 2. And the procedure repeat and repeat. Remainder is 18. Now we take 20 for A and 18 for B. Add the Q for 1 and then remainder we get 2. At last we observe that we have remainder is 0. After this division, we calculate in algorithm or lemma. The formula for algorithm or lemma is A is equal BQ plus R, mean V into Q plus R. We consider that solution. Here 230 is greater than 134, so we can say that A for 230 and B for 134, quotient is 1 and then remainder is 96. Now we 134 for A and 96 for B, quotient for 1 and the remainder is 38. Now 96 for A and 38 for B and the quotient is 2 and remainder is 20. Now A for 38, B for 20, Q for 1 and R for 18. And then 20 for A, 18 for B and 1 for Q and 2 for remainder. Now 18 for A and 2 for B, Q for 9 and remainder is 0. That's all. Hence we find the SCF of 134 and 230 is 2. The SCF is 2. That's the answer.